y'all, it's Taryn. Welcome back to my channel. This video is long awaited. So I finally bit the bullet and ordered the Amazon Prime wardrobe. So many of y'all have been asking me to do this video, but I'll be honest, the website is very confusing. So several times I've gone online and attempted to pick things out and put them in a cart, and it's confusing. So I finally sat down one day, probably 3 days ago, sat down, created an Amazon Prime account. I didn't have one, I know. Created the account and we did this. I did take some notes too because like I said, it was a little confusing and I wanted to be able to tell you the process in case you weren't very familiar with it. So here we go. I did have to sign up for Amazon Prime. Like I mentioned, that's $12.99 a month. However, I did cash in on a 30-day free trial. You can do like a yearly membership where you don't have to pay every single month, but I just did this free one and then selected it to debit out of my account once a month if I so choose to continue with Amazon Prime wardrobe. Second thing, there's only a few hundred plus size things to choose from. So that includes tops, bottoms, everything. So what I would do was go to the women's section plus size, and then I would need to go and select Amazon Prime wardrobe from the filters, and then that brings up everything that you can choose to include in your Amazon Prime package. Third thing, there's also an 8-item limit or $300 worth of clothes. So you can get 8 items or $300, whichever one you hit first. So I didn't realize there was a monetary limit. So I had selected a bunch of things, 8 things, put them in my cart. It was like $900 and it made me delete a bunch of things. So I'm pretty sure there's only about 4 pieces in here, and the pieces aren't my favorite things. You know what I mean? Like, I would have liked some other things, but those weren't available in the Prime wardrobe. Also, I ran into a lot of pieces were available for Prime wardrobe in like a size 16 or a 26, but my sizes were out in a lot of things. And I selected either a 20 or a 22 for these. So it was kind of hard to find those 8 things in the beginning that I actually wanted to try. You have 7 days to try everything on. What you want to keep, you pay for. They charge your account. What you don't, you send back. So now that you know the deal, I waited to open this package until I sat down here because granted, I know what's in here, but I don't know the quality, and I honestly may not remember because I did order it a couple days ago and I had to delete a bunch of stuff. So we're going to open it together. Okay, first thing is this little Amazon Prime card. It has the return label if I want to send everything back. And that's it. That's all that's in here. All right, first thing I have appears to be denim, maybe. I wonder if there's a slip in here to tell me what I ordered. That would be nice, but I guess I can go back to my account. So these are from the brand 7. They're called leggings, but they're denim quality. I got them in a size 20, and they're just this like distressed raw hem skinny jean. These are actually really cute. Yeah, I like the distressing on them. I don't know how they fit, obviously, but so far these are cute. All right, so these are called the Melbourne leggings. They're $79. All right, these aren't bad. They're a little bit snug. They are high-waisted, so my belly button's here, probably about 1.5 inches above my belly button. I really like the bottom, this like raw hem. They're comfortable, but like I said, they're just a little bit snug. I'm not familiar with this brand, so I don't know if it would actually stretch a little bit as you wore it. But I do appreciate the distressing. It does seem a little bit, I don't know, like I have to jack them up a little bit on my legs. Yeah, these are okay. I like them, but I'm pretty sure I have other pairs of jeans that I like a little bit more. Granted, I don't have any like this at the bottom, but these are cute though. All right, next thing is a Ruby Road woman top in a size 3X. I remember picking this brand because I've tried it on at Belk before, and I really like it. I know that it's a good quality brand. I know what size I need in it. It fits well. It's this beautiful, how cute is this? The little like flutter sleeve, like ruffle sleeve detail. It's knotted on the side, right? Yeah, which is like perfect for me. This is adorable. This is called the Ruby Road Women's Plus Size Textured Stripe Double Knit Tie Front Top, $43.85. Okay, this feels amazing. This is such a cute top. It's the perfect size. It's not snug anywhere. I think it's just so soft and so cute. I love this little knot on the side versus in the front. I've mentioned that in videos before. But this is cute. So here's the only thing with this top. I know that Belk sells this brand and Belk always has sales. So it's almost like I don't want to pay the price on Amazon's website when I can get it for sale on Belk, and they always have coupons. So that's my dilemma with this. Is I kind of feel like I could get it at a better price at Belk. Next thing we have, I'm pretty sure this is a swimsuit. I tried to get a variety of things like bottoms, tops. I had a lot more stuff, like I said, but I wasn't able to keep everything because apparently I spend a lot of money. All right. This is cute. This is from the brand Blanca. I got it in a size US 18. I remember this one wasn't available in any other size. It looks like these straps do come off if you wanted to do a strapless swimsuit, which is cute. These are very structured padded cups. I do really like this pattern. I think this is very flattering too, with this like little bit of crisscross detail right there. This is called the one-piece swimsuit. That's all it says. $76.99. Okay, this swimsuit is actually really cute. It fits really well. I think that this size is fine. I don't think I needed a size larger, so remember that if you were ordering this brand. I think it looks cute. I like that the back is high enough. The straps do come off too, so we'll take them off and see what it looks like as a strapless swimsuit. Okay, I kind of like it strapless a little bit more. I mean, obviously you get more of the support with the straps on it. And the very last thing in my bag, I believe this is a top as well. I don't know why. I must have been into like blue stripes that day. Let's be honest, every day. But this looks pretty cute. Oh yeah, it's like a longer top. It's from the brand Vintage America in a size 3X. It's V-neck. It's got a little bit of a tapered waist. It's layered, like double layered. You can see like a little bit of ruffle detail there. This is really cute too. This one might be actually really great for work because it's very light, like airy, and it's pretty, like it would be cute on TV. So this is called the Women's Plus Size Delfina V-neck Butterfly Top. It is $74.50. Okay, I think that this one is probably in a size or two too big. Like this part here that's supposed to be cinched in is not touching my body at all. This is what I guess they mean by the butterfly. It's cute. I just think it's a little bit too big. Yeah, I think I need a size smaller and that would probably be perfect. But I love the color. Y'all know I'm into like the blue and white stripes. I just feel it looks, I don't know. I think it's the size. I think that's what's throwing me off is the size. So my favorite thing by far, I think, is this swimsuit. It fits so well. However, it's almost $77. It's $76.99. So that's my only hesitation with keeping it. I also really like this top. However, this one, as I mentioned, I felt like you could get at Belk or somewhere a little bit more affordable. But Brian and I both just searched Belk's website and couldn't find this anywhere. In fact, when I put in the exact name of this top and the brand and everything, the only place that popped up on Google was on Amazon. This one is about $43. I do like the jeans, but I don't love them. The other top I mentioned was a little bit too big. So let me know what y'all think about this swimsuit. This is honestly the one thing that I'm really impressed with. It seems like such a good quality too, and I like that you can do it strapless if you want. I think it's so cute. Alright, so that's a wrap on this video. Let me know what you thought, what you liked, what you didn't like. Do I need this swimsuit? I think I do, but I need y'all to tell me because it's really cute. Let me know too in the comment section down below if you want me to do this Amazon Prime wardrobe thing again. We'll give it another go. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.